NARETU Commander-in-Chief Peterson Kambinda stated that as a representative of workers in the transport industry, particularly truck drivers, their efforts to address the plight of their members are futile due to the reluctance of arbitrators.
Arbitrators are the people which the Office of the Labour Commissioner or the Labour Commissioner appoints in order to hear cases which are being raised, which get referred to the Office of the Labour Commissioner. So their purpose is there to be able to make sure that the case which had been referred to try to assist parties in resolving those matters. But we continue to learn with great concern that there is some arbitrators who are in bed with employers. And irrespective of the massive work the Office of the Labour Commissioner is putting in to resolve the matters which are being referred, but you still find some of them which are enemy of progress, who even after being empowered by the Labour Act, they tend to divert from it and do something out of the law to assist their accomplices. On the 14th of February 2022, we announced that we have given the Employers Federation 14 days for them to be able to respond or to call their members to order regarding the strike. They gave us a commitment, because why we were calling for that national strike is that those companies which were violating the Labour Act with impunity. So the Federation gave us a commitment that those employers, they committed to adhere to the Labour Act or to the provisions of the law. But it is unfortunate that we gave them the benefit of the doubt. Since we are law-abiding citizens, we gave them the benefit of the doubt that maybe they are going to be able to repent and come to order.
In an interview with Today on One, the interim executive director of the Ministry of Labour, Industrial Relations and Employment Creation explained that some unionists do not fully understand the process of arbitration and the task of the Labour Commissioner.
Not really that legislation causes the delay in handling their grievances. Maybe at company policy, I mean the company HR policy or the staff rules in terms of the public service of Namibia. But at national level, I mean at the Office of the Labour Commissioner, we do not really waste time or delay cases. What happens is that when the case is registered at the Office of the Labour Commissioner allocates that case to an arbitrator, of course looking at what are other cases that an arbitrator is already having. And then at the same time, the Labour Commissioner would also determine the date, the time and the venue when that case will be heard. And I must say that in many instances, if both parties are available, the case can be resolved in a very shortest possible time. The process gets longer than anticipated due to one or both parties not available, but they have to agree to a postponement. And that is the only reasons that the office can accept for a postponement when reasons provided are beyond the parties or the arbitrator's control.
Ndobo went on to say that the ministry does not have the authority to intervene in the operations of unions or how they do their work, but the Labour Commissioner's office can assist through arbitration proceedings when unions fail to resolve issues with the parties involved and do not reach amicable solutions.